Craftwood copy of tongue and groove boards. So we've got to repaint this, and we're going to turn it into this. Same as that's what's in here. Now you must roll it to get this cut in here. You can't just spray it because this will just be furred up. So that has to be rolled, that has to be rolled, that has to be rolled. This has already been rolled. So this can be sanded and sprayed. So as we go out here, we've got a similar thing happening. With the ceiling up here, we could actually just go the weather shield on there if we wanted to, but it's still got to be rolled. So I'm going to seal it all off, this whole lot in one go. I've taped up all my bottoms out so far, out 6 inches all the way around, just to stop any mist. I've covered this door, it's completed and finished, so I've just covered it with plastic. So now what we're going to do is I've brought the spray gun in from the truck. As long as we use a sealer, basically that's capable of being sanded. Now I'm going to use the Berger Gold Label Sealer Undercoat. Now this is the oil on the top of the undercoat. Like I said, it doesn't matter what colour we use for our first coat. So we'll just give this a good stir. So we've just got a little 270 roller sleeve. I've just wet it, so it's all wet, ready to go. And we'll be spraying and rolling this. Graco clean shot on here. I can change my angles so it actually works pretty good. As you can see, this is how I store all my tips. I get fresh water all the time. And this is how I store my gun. So always in water, never dries out. So I can go months without using my spray gun, even without really rinsing it out that well. I give it a clean out, but I don't go overboard, as you can see. HEA runs very low pressure. So this is the only room we have ready. So we'll just do a wall first. Pretty amazing that a 213 tip puts out this much paint, isn't it? Got a fairly big breeze coming through here, which isn't good. Yeah, we've got a bit of paint on there, it's good. This is what we want. We want it to fill those grooves up. Can't just spray it. Don't let anybody tell you you can. It's just not going to work out very well for you. Hinges there just got wet, but anyhow, doesn't matter. You really want to push it in those screws. So that's how you get your first coat on these walls. And then they'll end up looking like these walls. So that's what they'll look like when they're finished. They're quite nice. So don't think that by spraying them you're going to get them any better, because you're not. It's actually going to be a lot worse. So if we can just show you this has been rolled. Same as what I'm doing there now, so except with an oil-based undercoat because they are old enamel.
We both have thoughts of leaving when thoughts get thrown around. We keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. This time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. Thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. This time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like